Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see how to configure basic OSPF version 3 in a single area step by step. Here we are going to use 3 routers 1941, then 3 switches 2960, also 3 PCs. We will rename these devices. Here we have R1, this is S1, and this is PC1, this is R2, this is S2, and this is a PC2. So we will keep this PC here, and this is R3, this is S3, and here we have PC3. Now we will connect these devices. Coming to connections, copper straight through from R1 G0/0 to S1 G0/1, FA0/1 to PC1. Coming to R2 G0/0 to S2 G0/1, from S2 FA0/1 to PC2. And coming to R3 G0/0 to S3 G0/1, from S3 FA0/1 to PC3. Now we will connect these routers, but we don't have serial interfaces, so we will add these WAN interface on these routers. Coming to R1, we will put it off, and we will add this module. Then we will switch it on. Coming to R2, and coming to R3. Now we will connect these routers. Serial DCE from R1 serial 0/0/0 to R2 serial 0/0/0. Then from R2 serial 0/0/1 to R3 serial 0/0/1. Then from R3 serial 0/0/0 to R1 serial 0/0/1. Now we will label all the ports we used in these devices. Coming to R1, to this LAN we connected to G0/0. On R2 here also G0/0. No, on R3 here also G0/0. Coming to the serial connection, here we connected to serial 0/0/0. The other end we connected to serial 0/0/0. Here we connected to serial 0/0/1. And the other end we connected to serial 0/0/1. Here the link between R1 and R3. On this router R3, here we connected to serial 0/0/0. Then the other end on R1, serial 0/0/1. In this topology we can see a total 6 networks. We will highlight those networks using different colors. Here we can see our first network. Here is our second network. And here is our third network. Here we can see our fourth network. Here we can see our fifth network. And here is our sixth network. And here we can see each network's IPv6 address we planned. For network 1, we will give 2001:db8:a:1:64. Then for network 2, we will give 2:64. Then for network 3, we will give 3:64. Then for network 4, we will give 4:64. Then for network 5, we will give 5:64. And for network 6, 6:64. First of all, we will configure network 1. Here we can see IPv6 address 2001:db8:a:1:64. Here we can see IPv6 address for each devices. For this PC1, we will assign 2001:db8:a:1:10/64. Then for this interface G0/0 on this router R1, we will assign 2001:db8:a:1:1/64. First of all, we will assign for this PC1. Coming to PC1, desktop IP configuration, and here we can see IPv6 address. Here we will give the address 2001:db8:a:1, it's :10, and here we can see the prefix, it's 64, and here we can see IPv6 gateway. Here we will give the link local address, it's FE80:1. This link local address we will set on the router R1. Now we will configure for this interface G0/0 on this router R1. Coming to R1 CLI, enable configure terminal, we will set the host name here as R1. Now we will go to that interface, that is gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will set IPv6 address FE80:1 as a link local address. Also we will set global unicast address as we planned. IPv6 address 2001:db8:1:1/64, and we will give no short command. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration on this router R1. Show running config, and here we can see the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, no IPv4 address, and here we can see IPv6 address. It's a link local address FE80:1, and here we can see global unicast address. Also we can give a show IPv6 interface brief, and we can see the status of each interfaces. Here we can see the status of gigabit Ethernet 0/0, it's up, and here we can see the address. Now we will verify the connectivity. Coming to PC1, we will go to command prompt, and we will ping to FE80:1, and here we can see we got the replies. Also we can ping to 2001:a:1:1, and here we can see we got the replies. Now we will configure network 2. Here we can see IPv6 address we planned 2001:db8:a:2:64. Here we can see IPv6 address for these devices. PC2 we will assign 2001:db8:a:2:10/64. Then for this interface G0/0 on this router R2, we will assign 2001 colon db8 colon 8 colon 2 double colon 1 slash 64. First of all, we will assign IPv6 address for this PC2. Desktop IP configuration. Here is IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 2 double colon 10, and here is a prefix, it's 64, and here we will give IPv6 a default gateway, it's fe80 double colon 2. We have to assign this link local IPv6 address on this router R2. Now we will assign IPv6 address for this interface G0/0 on this router R2. Coming to R2, CLI, enable, configure terminal. We will set the host name as R2, and we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will set IPv6 address fe80 double colon 2 as a link local. Also, we will set IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 2 double colon 1 slash 64, and we will give no shut command, copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration, show running config, and coming to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, here we can see no IPv4 address, and here we can see IPv6 addresses. Also, we can give the show command, show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of each interfaces. Here we can see the interface G0/0, and here we can see the status, it's up. Now we will verify the connectivity. Coming to PC2 command prompt, and we will ping to fe80 double colon 2. It's working. Also, we will ping to 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 2 double colon 1. It's working. Now we will configure network 3. Here we can see IPv6 address we planned 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 3 double colon slash 64. Here we can see IPv6 address for these devices. For PC3 we will set 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 3 double colon 10 slash 64. Then for this interface G0/0 on this router R3, we will set 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 3 double colon 1 slash 64. First of all, we will assign IPv6 address for this PC3. Desktop IP configuration. Here we will give IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 3 double colon 10, and here is our prefix 64, and IPv6 gateway fe80 double colon 3. Now we will assign IPv6 address for this interface G0/0 on this router R3. Enable, configure terminal. We will set the host name as R3. Now we will go to that interface, that is gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and we will set the IPv6 link local address fe80 double colon 3. Right, so we will set global unicast address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 3 double colon 1 slash 64, and we will give no shut command, copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration, show running config, and here we can see the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we can see the details. Also, we will give show IPv6 interface brief, and here we can see the status of this interface. Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 status is up. Now we will verify the connectivity. Coming to PC3 command prompt, and we will ping to FE80:3. It's working. Also we will ping to 2001:GB8:A:3:1. Yes, we are getting the replies. Now we will configure network 4. So here we can see IPv6 address we planned 2001:GB8:A:4:/64. And here we can see IPv6 address. For this interface serial 0/0/0 on this router R1 we will set 2001:GB8:A:4:1/64. And for this interface serial 0/0/0 on this router R2 we will set 4:2/64. Coming to this router R1, enable configure terminal. We will go to that interface, that is serial 0/0/0, and here we will set IPv6 address FE80:1 as a link local address. Also we will set IPv6 address 2001:GB8:A:4:1/64, and we will give an OSHT command. So this interface changed state to down because we have to configure the other end of the link. So copy running config, startup config. Now we will do it on this router R2. Enable configure terminal. We will go to the interface serial 0/0/0, IPv6 address FE80:2 as a link local address, IPv6 address 2001:GB8:4:2/64, and we will give an OSHT command. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the connectivity. We will ping from this router R2 to this router R1. So coming to R2, ping to, we will give it to 2001:GB8:A:4:1, and here we can see success rate is 100%. Now we will configure network 5. Here we can see the IPv6 network address we planned 2001:GB8:A:5:64. Here we can see IPv6 address. For this interface serial 0/0/1 on this router R2 we will set 2001:GB8:A:5:1/64. Then for this interface serial 0/0/1 on this router R3 we will set 5:2/64. First of all we will do it on this router R2. Configure terminal. We will go to the interface serial 0/0/1, and here we will set IPv6 link local address that is FE80:2. Also we will set IPv6 address 2001:GB8:A:5:1/64. No shutdown. Copy running config, startup config. Coming to the router R3, enable configure terminal, interface serial 0/0/1, IPv6 link local address FE80:3 as a link local, IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 5 double colon 2 slash 64. No shutdown. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from this router R3 to this router R2. Ping to 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 5 double colon 1, and here we can see success rate is 100%. Now we will configure the last network, that is network 6, and here we can see IPv6 network address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 6 double colon slash 64. Here we can see IPv6 address. For this interface serial 0/0/1 on this router R1, we will set 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 6 double colon 2 slash 64. Then for this interface serial 0/0/0 on this router R3, we will set 6 double colon 1 slash 64. First of all, we will do it on this router R3. Coming to R3, configure terminal, we will go to the interface serial 0/0/0, and here we will give IPv6 address fe80 double colon 3 as a link local. Also IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 6 double colon 1 slash 64. No shutdown. Copy running config, startup config. Coming to the router R1, enable configure terminal interface serial 0/0/1 IPv6 address fe80 double colon 1 as a link local. IPv6 address 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 6 double colon 2 slash 64. We will give no shut command. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the connectivity. We will ping to this router R1 from this router R3. Ping to 2001 colon db8 colon a colon 6, it's a double colon 2. Yes, it's correct, and here we can see success rate is 100%. Right, so here we completed all the basic configurations and interface configurations. Here we can see total 6 networks. So if we consider this router R1, it has 3 directly connected networks and 3 remote networks such as network 2, network 3 and network 5. And if we consider this router R2, it has 3 directly connected networks and 3 remote networks such as network 1, network 3 and network 6. And if we consider this router R3, it has 3 directly connected networks and 3 remote networks such as network 1, network 2 and network 4. We can verify those directly connected networks on these routers. So first of all, coming to R1, here we can give the command show IPv6 route, and here we can see those connected networks. Now coming to this router R2, show IPv6 route, and here also we can see 3 directly connected networks. And coming to R3, show IPv6 route. Here we can see 3 directly connected networks. Right, now we are going to configure OSPFv3 routing in a single area. First of all, we will enable IPv6 routing on these routers R1, R2 and R3. So first of all, coming to R1, here we will give IPv6 unicast routing. Coming to R2, IPv6 unicast routing, and coming to the router R3, enable configure terminal IPv6 unicast routing. Here we will set the process ID as 1. Also we will set the router ID on these routers R1, R2 and R3. First of all, we will do it on this router R1. Here we will give IPv6 router OSPF. Here we will give the process ID as 1. So here we will set the router ID 1.1.1.1. Now we will do it on this router R2. IPv6 router OSPF1, router ID 2.2.2.2. Coming to this router R3, IPv6 router OSPF1, router ID 3.3.3.3. Now we will enable OSPFv3 on each interfaces on these routers R1, R2 and R3. First of all, we will do it on this router R1. So here we can see the interfaces G0/0, serial 0/0/0 and serial 0/0/1. Coming to R1. First of all, we will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will give IPv6 OSPF. Then we will give the process ID, it's 1, and we will give the area 0. Now we will go to the interface serial 0/0/0. Here also we will give IPv6 OSPF1 area 0, and coming to the next interface serial 0/0/1, IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Copy running config, startup config. We will verify the configuration. Coming to R1, here we will give a show running config, and here we can see IPv6 router OSPF1, router ID, and here we can see each interfaces gigabit Ethernet 0/0, IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Coming to serial 0/0/0, and coming to interface serial 0/0/1. Also we can give the show command, show IPv6 protocols, and here we can see the details. IPv6 routing protocol is connected. So it's OSPF1. Here we can see the interfaces in area 0, gigabit Ethernet 0/0, serial 0/0/0, and serial 0/0/1. Now we will do it on this router R2. Enable configure terminal. We will go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, and here we will give IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Now we will go to the interface serial 0/0/0, Here we will give IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Coming to the interface, serial 0/0/1, IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Copy running config, startup config. Now we will verify the configuration. We will give a show IPv6 protocols. And here we can see the details, OSPF1, and here we can see the interfaces. Now we will do it on this router R3. We'll go to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Here we will give IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Coming to the next interface, serial 0/0/0, IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. Coming to the interface, serial 0/0/1, IPv6 OSPF1 area 0. We will verify the configuration on this router R3. Show IPv6 protocols. Here we can see the protocol OSPF1, and here we can see the interfaces. Now we will verify the routing table on each routers. First of all, we will verify on this router R1. Enable show IPv6 route, and here we can see the route learned with the help of OSPF protocol. Here we can see the second one, and here is the third one. Now we will verify on this router R2. Show IPv6 route, and here we can see those are remote networks. Coming to R3, show IPv6 route, right. Finally, we will verify the connectivity. We will ping from PC1 to PC2 and PC3. So we will get the IPv6 address of PC2. Here is that. We will copy this address. Coming to PC1, desktop, command prompt, and we will ping to PC2. We got the replies. We will get the IPv6 address of PC3. And we will ping to this PC3. Here is the IPv6 address of PC3. We got the replies. Also, we will ping from PC2 to this PC3. Ping to PC3. Here we can see we got the replies. Right, so here we configured basic OSPFv3 in a single area. Here we can see the basic configurations we done on these routers. This is on R1. Here we can see the basic configuration we done on R2. And here we can see the basic configuration we done on R3. And here we can see the show commands we used. And here we can see OSPF version 3 configuration. Well, that's all in this video. Friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and share with all your friends and consider subscribing. Thank you.